Science Education by 2014. And now we want to introduce our project from Earth and Space Science course about Earth layers model. So in our project, we make about the teaching media that provides you about the Earth layer model that consists about 4 layers, which is the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. And it will explain more in the video that show in the monitor. So we provide the monitor to show the video about Earth's layer. It is to make the students to understand the Earth's layer easily. We provide you the handout of the procedure how we make the Earth layer model. And also we provide the other handout that consists of purpose, background, theory, and how to use our project. First, plug in the cable. Then, there are 2 buttons, and first button is to turn on the light of Earth layer model, and the second button is to turn on the monitor. We turn on the monitor first, and we turn on the Earth layer model slightly. Here, the remote can turn on the monitor, and you can select the video that will show about the Earth crust, the explanation about the Earth crust in the monitor. And now, we turn on the monitor by this remote control. Then, choose the file that we want to play.
Do you know if the Earth where we're living is not only land and water? The surface of the Earth is covered by rocks and water bodies. But what about the inside of the Earth? If we were to take a look of the Earth's interior, we will see that the Earth consists of 4 layers. There are the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core.
The crust is the outermost layer of the Earth. It consists of various landforms like mountains, plateaus, volcanoes, etc. The crust also consists of numerous rock plates. The shifting of these plates resulted in the formation of continents. In reality, the crust of the Earth is very thin layer. It is only 50 kilometers deep. The crust floats on top of the outer layer of the Earth. The oceanic crust is thinner than the continental crust.
The mantle forms the main mass of the Earth. It is the layer just under the crust. Its extent from Magellan's discontinuity to the depth of about 2,900 kilometers. The mantle is a partly molten layer and can have temperatures reaching to 4,000 degrees Celsius. The upper layer of the mantle is called the asthenosphere. The hot magma from the asthenosphere travels to the surface of the Earth and escapes as lava from volcanoes. In addition to the asthenosphere, there is a layer known as lithosphere. The crust and the uppermost layer of the mantle together form the lithosphere, while the asthenosphere has a depth of 400 kilometers. The lithosphere extends from depth 10 to 200 kilometers.
The next layer of the Earth is the outer core. This layer is exceedingly hot. It has the temperature of about 5,000 degrees Celsius. The outer core consists mainly of liquid iron. It has a depth of 2,200 kilometers. The core mantle boundary is located at 2,900 kilometers below the surface of the Earth. Now come to the innermost of the Earth, the inner core. The inner core has temperature around 6,000 degrees Celsius. This is nearly the temperature of the Sun's surface. The inner core has a depth of 1,250 kilometers. Unlike the outer core, the inner core is a solid state. The intense pressure of the layer of the Earth ensures that the inner core remains solid in nature.
Deep within the core of the Earth, there are radioactive elements, such as uranium. These elements give off heat when they decay. This lowers on the rate and which the Earth is cooling. But the core also has a very important function. It is responsible for magnetic field of the Earth. The magnetic field is generated in the inner core, and the convection within the outer core results in the creation of magnetic field. This magnetic field is what protects us from solar winds and high-energy particles, the sun.
The four layers of the Earth all have special functions. Now you know what the Earth looks like on both the inside and the outside.
So, if you're interested with our project and want to be your teaching media in your school, the prize is below here. So, thank you very much. Thank you for your watching. See you. Ini ngomong apa nih? Kita dulu.
Kalem.
Explain our.
Lu jangan diem aja. Lu tuh tahu.